You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
Okay. Hi everyone. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, give me a yes, please. We're going to start in another 5 minutes. All right, please let me know if you can hear me. Just to make sure everything is good. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me, give me a yes. Yes. All right, thanks for responding, Chai. Thanks for responding, Chai. So today we are going to discuss about something, okay, not really on some technical things, but it's something on how you need to, what are the things that you have to prepare or you have to learn in order to make a very proper trading plan. All right, and there is a very important announcement at the end of the live session. So make sure you guys don't miss the announcement and stay until the end of the live session. It will not take you a very long time. It's just about 30 minutes. All right, guys, I need you guys to share this live to your friends, to your Facebook, so we get more people to join. I'm going to start in another 5 minutes. So when things go on, if you have any question, just type in the comment below. I'm going to reply and answer the comments. Okay. So it's 10:56. Now we're going to start in a very short while. So this week market is quite challenging. Most of the pair are still doing correction. So there are some there are quite some good trades that is coming on. We'll be sharing more. Okay, so before we start, we have around 15 people here. So let me do a very quick survey. Anybody trade according to their trading plan? Anybody has their very own trading plan? Or if you have your own trading plan, type in yes. If you don't have your trading plan or you don't know what is a trading plan is, or how does a trading plan work, type in no. All right, so I can know the responses here. If you guys already have your own trading plan and you know how to structure your trading plan and you know how to backtest your trading plan, type in a yes. All right, so please be honest. It's nothing to be shameful if you don't have any trading plan, because we are learning all the way. We are learning day by day. So there's a reason for you guys to be here, and there's a reason for me to be here as well. Okay. Okay, we have 17 people here. Got plan, no follow. Yes, this is also one of the major problem that faced by most of the trader. They are theoretically they are very good in doing their trading plan, but when come to real life market trading, they will just be like panic, or they will just, hey, what should I do? Am I still following my plan? Or I will just enter the market blindly because I think that, okay, the market is going to be a buy trend now. Okay, so I better enter now. Or like, okay, the price, don't know, I'm not sure that whether the price will pull back or not. But I don't want to miss out that trade, so I will just entry first and think later. Okay, so it's not only you. I was once like this as well, in very long time ago. Okay, so let me see. So we have another 27 pack here. Okay, so I'm going to share my slide now. Okay, can you guys see my screen now? I'm going to share my slide now. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about trade planning, meaning that how you plan your trade and what are the aspects that you need to plan your trade, and how do you execute your trade following your trading plan. Okay, so if you can see the PowerPoint slide, give me a yes, please. Let me know so I know that you can see my slide, you can see my screen, so nothing's go wrong. Okay, we are about another 1 minute to go. So guys, share this to your friends, share this to your Facebook wall. So we are going to get more people to join this session, and I promise you, I'm going to give away something very valuable at the end of this live session. So make sure that you stay until the end of this live session. Okay, so if you're ready to start, type in ready. I want to see ready. If you're ready to start, type in ready. Type in ready if we are good to go. Ready, just type in ready if you are good to go. Okay. Yes, thanks Neil for responding. Thanks Chai for responding. Thanks Cora. Thank you for having me here. All right, thank you for your time tonight. Okay. So we are going to start now. So what is a trading plan? Okay, because all the while we have been talking about trading plan. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. All right, we are seeing this kind of so-called as the quotes all along the way, either in the trading website, trading groups, or even some other Facebook platform. So what is a trading plan? So in my opinion, a trading plan is actually a systematic method that actually works, and a trading plan must be a rules-based approach, meaning that we have our procedure to follow, we have our steps to follow, and we need to execute the steps based on our very step 1, our very strict step 1, and narrow down to our step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, etc. And a trading plan should not be always meaning that a trading plan, meaning that my trading plan and your trading plan might be different. All right, we might have different trading plan, as long as the trading plan is a very solid trading plan and suits my style, and your trading plan suits your style. Okay, so what do I mean by a solid trading plan? Meaning that it's not is never enough for you to only structure your trading plan. You still need to do back testing to prove that this trading plan actually works for you. This entire trading flow, this entire system is actually working fine for you. I would not say that a trading plan works 100% correct to everyone, but a trading plan, if you have a trading plan that have around 60% to 70% winning rate, this is good than enough. This is a very good trading plan for you already. So in order to have a very solid trading plan, you need to do back testing. And also many people are confusing between a trading plan and also entry setups. All right. So I'm here to say that a trading plan is only, an entry setup is only part of the trading plan. All right. So many people have put their sequence wrong. They are keep on looking for trading. Keep on looking for trading setups, meaning that they have tried setup A. Setup A doesn't work. They just hook to setup B. Setup B doesn't work. They hook to setup C. So this is a very wrong way, because this one, if you keep on practice like this, you will just back to you are just running around the same circle. You were just running round and round and back to the same point. All right. So trading plan is not about how to entry and how to trade. So a trading plan is a quite comprehensive breakdown, and it's not about entry and also about how to exit your trade. So I'm going to talk about more. And how can you build a trading plan? So I will divide this into two parts. Okay. So technically and mentally. So a trading plan is not all about technical setups, or it's not about technical analysis, but your mentally, your emotion control is also part of the trading plan as well. Okay. All right. I see got new people joining. Hi, Alvin. All right. Okay. So let us cover about some technical part. All right. So technical part, we have 5 points here. So the first thing is that your trading skill. All right. Are you able to know what are you trading? Do you know that how the trading works? Do you know that how to execute a trade? Do you know that how does the candlestick? What is the candlestick? What the candlestick is telling you? Your trading skill, and also you need to understand that the nature of the market. The market, whether the market is in an impulsive phase, whether the market is doing trending, or the market is doing correction, or the market is doing sideways or consolidation. And you also need to able to perform a very brief top-down analysis. What do I mean by top-down analysis? Meaning that you are able to start analyze the market starting from a weekly chart and down to daily chart, H4 and H1, or even M15 to narrow down or to secure your entry. And you also need to know how to filter your trades. All right, we have so many pairs among the market. We have so many pairs across the market. So we are not going to trade all the pair. So you need to know, you need to have the skill to filter your trade. So you choose the best pair to trade. You choose the best pair with the best risk and reward, and you will choose the best pair with the highest or the biggest potential to win to trade. And you also need to set your entry and exit rules. Okay. So this is on the technical part. All right. So how about the mentality part? All right. So the mentality part, the most of the traders, what are the problems they are having is that they keep on chasing the tail, meaning that they keep on buying on high or keep on selling on low. All right. So this is to do with mentality. And in trading, we have a rule that 90, 90, 90, or we call this as a 90% rule. All right. Because this is because I personally came across this. All right. 90% of the traders will be losing 90% of their capitals within 90 days. All right. This is a very cruel fact. And I believe that most of you have faced this before, and maybe some of you here have lose more than one account before, like myself. All right, I have blown out, I think, more than 5 accounts in my history. I think few years back. All right. And also the mentality part is that we have a fear of losing, meaning that let's say we have 5 continuously losing trade. So on the 6th trade, we saw that market show us a very good setup, and the market has the setup is fulfilling all our trading requirements, is fulfilling in the setup is performing according to our trading plan, but we have fear to entry because we have 5 continuously losing trade. So this is also to do with the mentality part. And also fear of missing out. I believe this part Mason has covered in our previous live session, meaning that we do not wait for the market to show us a very solid setup, and we think that okay, this is the setup that I'm looking for. I will just put my entry first. So this is about a mentality part on how you need to adjust or how you need to formulate into your own trading plan. All right. So as I promised just now, I got a very important announcement. Okay, I'm actually looking for 50 people who are passionate in trading, and I would like to organize a private session with them for free. All right, because we have received a lot of PM to our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and also Mason and me, our personal Telegram as well. Meaning that people keep on looking that can I have a class for free? Can I have free trading class? I want to learn. I'm very passionate to learn. So we have decided on this. We are looking for 50 people who are passionate in trading and organize a private session with them for free. So okay, guys, you might be asking, okay, since you are going to do for free, why don't you just do in Facebook Live? All right. Okay. Personally, I do not give. Personally, in my opinion, I not really like to give out things for free, all right? Because I always believe in value exchange, okay? So why am I looking for only 50 people? Because I want to filter out those people who are not committed, all right? I want people, once you have committed to learn, I'm committed to share my knowledge with all of you, okay? So I'm looking only for 50 people who are passionate in trading. All right, so make sure you can commit. Okay, so what I need are only your participation and also your commitment. Okay, I'm not looking for any fees. I'm not going to charge you. And okay, this is going to be a 2-day class. So what are we going to cover is that on the day 1, we are going to cover about some fundamentals about Forex. So what is Forex and how do retail traders make profits over the market? So this is what we are going to cover on day 1. And on day 1, we are going to cover about how market moves, all right, how market behave, and we are going to talk about the nature of the market structure. Okay, this is some fundamental and some basics that you need to know before you can go into your trading plan. So on day 2, we are going to talk about when should you place your entry and when should you exit your trade. And also how can you structure your trading plan. And lastly, I'm going to go through with the 50 people that how can you do a proper backtest and also do a very efficient trade journal. Okay, so for my mastermind members, I will be you guys can join the group. You guys will be joining this. So I have reserved the slot for you guys. So for non-mastermind member, you will need to register yourself. I'm only open for 50 pack. So the class details, okay, I'm going to conduct this class on next week, next Saturday and Sunday. All right, let me check the date. Okay, yes, next Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to conduct this class on 6th of June and 7th of June at 10 p.m. GMT +8. So you can convert this time to your time zone. It's about the time now. So how can you register? Okay, some rules. Okay, this 2-day class will be conducted in Zoom and there will be no recording posted on Facebook. All right, because people might ask that. Okay, I'm going to I'm very busy. I will watch the replay later. All right. Okay. I don't really believe on busy schedule because there is a reason why we choose the class on weekends. Okay, it's whether how good are you in committing your time and effort. All right. And the second rule is that you need to join day 1 training before day 2 in order to understand the trading flow. All right. So for those who did not join day 1 and you share the link to your friend to join day 2, we will just remove him from the Zoom meeting. Okay. So these basically are the rules. Okay. Sorry that I have to be strict or I need to be mean on this because I do not like to waste my effort. All right. Because when Mason and me, we have committed to teach, we are committed to share things, especially for free. We need people to really learn something. We need people that really gain value from here. All right. So how to register? Okay. I'm going to put this link over here. Okay, I'm going to put this link over here. I have pinned in the comments box. So I'm going to put this link over here. What you need to do is that you just need to go into this link and key in your name and email. And once the registration is confirmed, you will be receiving an email confirmation. So if you did not receive that email, meaning that we have already reached 50 pack and we are closing the slot. Okay, we are no longer this class is no longer valid. So for my mastermind member, you can join this free training without any registration. I'll be sharing the link to your guys. I'll be sharing the link in our group later on. Okay, so guys, please bear in mind this training. We seldom do free things. So Mason and me has discussed this about I think over a week to come up with this thing because it's actually not easy to do something like this because we also need to spend our effort to prepare all the materials and go through with you guys. Okay, so remember, I only take people who are ready and committed. So if you think that training is not for you yet, please do not waste the slot. Leave the slot to those who really need this class. Okay. Okay. All right. So as promised just now, this live session will not take quite long. So you guys can start to put in your name now to register. So once the registration reach 50 pack, we are going to close out the web page, and the Zoom meeting link will be sent out a day before the class start. Okay. All right. So I hope everything is clear enough. So if you have any question or anything you want to know more, please drop us a message or PM us. Okay. All right. So thank you guys for showing up tonight. I hope to see you guys on the coming class. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good night.